YouTube viewers. Today marks a significant milestone. While I haven't finished cleaning all the audio cards, the time has come to determine if this machine will actually turn on. This has been a long and challenging journey. Nearly a year of meticulous disassembly, cleaning, and reassembly. In reality, though, this project has been over 2 decades in the making. This machine has been relocated 4 times, each move occurring without it ever being powered on. Along the way, it's endured its fair share of wear, accumulated dirt and debris, and required extensive restoration. Throughout the process, I've replaced capacitors, ball bearings, and various hardware components. I've carefully cleaned and lubricated critical contact surfaces, all the while navigating the complexities of a Studer Multitrack Tape machine, piece of equipment that I have never worked on in my life. It's been an invaluable learning experience, and I'm grateful for the knowledgeable and supportive individuals that I've met along the way. Of course, the work is far from over. In addition to finishing the cleaning process, I fully expect new challenges to arrive once we power the machine on. While it survived the fire, the real test comes from more than 20 years of inactivity, which presents its own set of technical hurdles. That said, troubleshooting and problem-solving electronics are what I do best. Though replacement parts are scarce and the manufacturer is no longer available for support, I'm excited to take on whatever issues come next. Before we begin, I want to take a moment to thank all of you for following along, offering your insights, and engaging in these videos. Your support, advice, and enthusiasm mean a great deal. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and click the notification bell so you don't miss the next update. Now, without further ado, let's power it on.